Hello viewers, today we are within a new technical video how to add a switch to an electrical switchboard or any outlet system. And in a new system or in an old system we adding a new system, so some changes on a board which will be needed in an electrical system. So before I am starting my topic, please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering to get the more technical tricks about the electrical system and engineering knowledge. The existing outlet will have a black white wire attached to it and probably a third ground wire that is either green in the color or varies of any insulation. Our first point is remove the black wire from a outlet and using a wire nut spells in a black wire. In the new cable you have runs, means the new cable will be added on that nut. Point 2. If any existing white wire is spelled to the other white wires, add a new white wire to the wire net. If it is not cut, a short 6 inches piece of the wire. Remove the white wire from an outlet and spells the short pieces existing within the white wire, and the new white wire will wires all together. Third point is the termination. The short pieces back to where the white wire came from. Do the same for the ground wire. That wire is either green or buried of insulations. Fourth point is that if the outlet is be completely switched both plugs in a sports, terminate the red wire in a new cable to whereas the black wire used to be if the outlet is be a half-hot outlet. Half of a permanently powered and half of its switches break the small tape between the two brass colored screws off. Do not break the tape between the silver color screw, just the one between the brass screw. A small 6-inch pieces wire must be added in a spells of the two black wires and terminate on the brass screw normally to the bottom one. The red wire is a new cable is terminated on the upper brass screws. Sixth point is please note that the one of these two screws is where the original black wires used to terminated the small tape between the screw using to power both plugs is a space from one screw but wires to be each other in now required. 7 is to terminate a wire on to screw strip and insulation from a last half inch of a wire and behind it into the loop ramp around the screw in a clockwise direction and tighten the screw. The new switch is read attaching the black wires to one screw to red and other screws to the ground wire. End of the switch's wire does not make any difference while the brass screw is choosing for the which in color white and black that will be grounded screw attached to the ground screw. 9 point is install the switch into the new electrical box and fit the cover plate to it with the two small screws that comes with the cover plates. You will be finished, means your project has been finished to how to add a switch to an electrical outlet or any electrical board. In this module, I have clearly explained about how to add the outlet switches to the electrical system and how to install a new switch in your board or electrical cards. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering, and also get the new technical tricks and updates. So please press the bell icon to get the more videos like this. Thank you.